Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I'm doing a collab with 7 other channels. And today we're making mini bunny suits for miniature Blythe. It was not easy and I cannot wait to go see what everyone else has done. The knocking around is my puppy who goes and gets her bones when we film. The other channels are Karen with Starch and Stitches, J Dolls UK, Kim at Winsley's World, Beth Ramsden, Sarah at Octopudding, Lorraine at Sorrenta, and Dory at Dory's Dolls. All of the links will be below. Please go and see what they did because I promise you we all worked hard. This is how I made my outfits. This was a Peter Rabbit stuffed animal that I found at Walmart. It was like $2.98 or $3.98, I don't remember. And I took my little Blythe and held it up to make sure it was the right size. And I split it up from the top of the head down to the tail. And I took all of the stuffing out except what pushes the face out. That gave it a little of a lift there. And I just pulled it all out of the arms, out of the legs, everything. I tucked and sewed the edges over. And then I simply added hook and eye. And I added hook and eye because I tried it on my little Blythe. And why it would fit with snaps, it didn't lay as flat, and this just looked better with the hook and eye. And I do want to show you that there is a miniature Blythe, my little Daisy, mini Daisy, inside the rabbit. Okay, I have my basic little outfit made. It's gonna snap in the back. She won't hold her hands out for me, so I'm kind of having to manipulate this a little bit. I wanted to do something different, and I had this idea. Don't I just have a lot of ideas? So I went and got a cotton ball, and I took it just a little bit, and I formed it into a bear belly, or rabbit belly, to fit here. I thought I'd try it. It would be different. And I'm going to hot glue that. And if you watch my channel, you know that hot glue is not my friend. It hates me. It's either not hot enough or too hot. There's no in between with me. Okay, let's see if I can put that down. Oh, see my finger dragging it? That's okay, I can fix that. So there's the little belly, and we could do paws. Maybe we could do paws. That would take such a tiny, tiny, tiny amount for those little paws. Hold your hands out. Tell you what, I'm gonna pull this off of her. I wanted to see where the belly would go. I'm going to pull it off and do the little bitty paws. And then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do for the ears. I'm just going to stick that on there. That doesn't look as good as the belly though, does it? Kind of got big. There we go. Kind of squishing it in. That's just a cosmetic cotton ball I went and got. I have 2 ears cut out. I love the ears, they're so cute. And I'm gonna take some white that I did the same thing with the cotton ball, and I'm gonna put it inside the ear. And after I do that, I'm gonna fold the ear like this, and I'm gonna pin it into my hood that will get turned inside out. Oh, so it'll go this way, because it'll get turned inside out. Glad I talked that through, or I would have been unhappy. So I'm going to do 2 ears like that. I'm going to add the other paw, and we'll be right back. I do want to show you that my little minis have little bitty tails. That's the cotton ball. I had forgotten to do that on the other. Whoops, that kind of came up on her face. That's not good. There we go. And then this one has hook and eyes. This one has a snap. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Please leave a comment and subscribe.